right, guys, we are here today with
Eli.
And Eli just let me know that he is going to destroy me in a game of skate versus scoot.
Yeah, but with ramps this time.
Last
time I got crushed.
Last time we
It was
played it
flat.
on flat because I had to at least get that game in there. And now I'm really scared because you're probably going to do a bunch of things that I'm just going to say, I'm sorry, I'm not going to try that. Just kidding. I'll try everything. Wait, will I though?
Maybe.
Maybe not.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, wait. Well, I'm three.
Two.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Eli.
Eli, I'm
so-
You
first.
say
Eli,
I do rock every
it's over
time.
for you.
Yeah, we both
You
do rock
rock
every
the
time.
same.
Okay, Eli, you ready?
Yep.
Every obstacle in the park about to destroy this. Board slide.
Too easy.
He said too easy. Okay, Eli, think that's too easy? How about this?
Semi-hard.
Okay, okay. I see what you're doing there.
I just mastered that today.
Okay, well,
Whose
how
phone is it?
about this?
That is literally the easiest thing in the park.
Okay, how about this then?
No, he's manualing it. Oh.
I'm gonna lose. I'm out of tricks. Just kidding. You ready?
Are you manualing the whole thing?
Watch closely. Ah!
What would that
You gotta land switch.
be? What could that be?
A 180. I suppose it could be like a 360.
Nope.
Okay,
S.
good try, good try. I got a good idea. That gave me a good idea. Okay, I saw you. Okay, I get you. Okay.
Way easier inside the skate park.
Way easier inside, yeah, with more speed.
Oh, he's grinding it? There's no way I can get that.
You got it!
I literally suck in manuals. This
You
is
got it! Ah! Is that SK?
Yeah, I've manualed from that ramp over there and this ramp over here. Just not.
The whole way. I'm just trying to hold on long enough just because I know he's just gonna utterly destroy me in every thing he's gonna do on the bowl over there. Okay, I got this. To the humpback whales. Humpback whale, all three of them.
No, I got this.
Oh, wow. Oh, no, no! I cannot lose my turn on that.
My set!
Eli!
The easiest trick I can do to get you a letter.
Okay, let's see the set. Wow. You might think I don't got that, but I got that. Dang it, I
You
did
could have
have
grabbed it.
Dang it. All right, S to what, SK?
Another easy trick.
Give me a hard trick.
Hard for you.
Ah!
You don't have to drop in like that. You could put your back wheel over there and then like.
There's no way I'm putting my back wheel over that and going into this. Are you sure?
Yeah, you gotta lean back very hard. Be careful.
Just ollie
Skaters feast, scooters breakfast. This is not a good
You
equivalent.
gotta go like
You get
this.
to like the
You guys are the meanest friends I've ever had.
you get to the end, just ollie off or just like do a manual.
Just ollie
You
off?
gotta go like
You're
this.
saying just ride down and just ollie off.
You kind of gotta manual off like this. Cause,
Ah!
Cause if you
I'm
just
sorry.
ride, you'll land like that.
Preparing myself. Take a letter. I'm saving my take a letter for other things that are more scary.
Now I have one that will destroy
That
you.
was
in
light
the
work. That was skater's breakfast.
Now you don't want to do this.
Definitely not. Eli, I thought we were friends. I'm sorry I beat you in the game
Nothing
of
to
flat ground
skate.
skate.
That was easy for you.
What?
That was
What?
So, that was so easy for you.
Surprised you got that.
I'm on fire, Terrence.
Oh wait, my friends gave me an idea.
That was just plain rude. Just rude. Okay, I got you.
How can you possibly do that on skateboard?
I'll show you how. Hey, who's the judge here? Who's the judge? Okay, you better watch this and you better judge, okay? This is gonna be controversial.
Nope. going like this.
Okay, fair enough.
I think the skater equivalent to that.
And
Oh,
what
I
you
wrote
just
it
did there
across.
was really hard. Okay, I'll take it. So what do I got? SK?
Oh, yeah?
SK to SK.
Now it's just air
I
spine.
was like, don't tell me you forgot about that manual, Eli.
I'm not manning.
Air spine, yeah, all day. I do them all day. In my sleep, in fact. Yeah, I'm not doing that. You know, you have skated this park a lot.
Yeah.
This is the equivalent, okay?
Oh, I know what you're doing.
Oh, no!
Oh, and you messed it up.
Okay, I'm sorry.
We each have rebates. You want to use your rebate on that?
No,
No.
that's a SKA.
You've been skateboarding for 31 years.
Yeah,
I've done it for about 3,
yeah.
and I can do this. Damn, but you can't air it. With no hurt.
You guys heard it here first. Aaron Cairo, the ultimate poser. Okay, next trick.
Oh, 1 foot the stairs.
No, I'm not one-footing the stairs.
That's a letter for you then.
Yeah, that's a letter for me. Go ahead. There is no chance that I'm trying that.
Are you seriously trying that?
No, I'm not trying that. All right, hold on, I got you.
It's just a ollie.
That's, what am I at, T?
SKA.
SKA?
Oh, SKAT.
SKAT.
Now I'm doing the hard trick I haven't done in a while. Here we go.
Hard trick, you said? Let's see here. Let's just check the wind speed. Yeah. Wait, why is that so scary?
Because it's skinny.
I know.
If you go too far, you'll just,
It's because it's skinny, and if you go too far,
you'll just,
grave danger.
but it's very mellow, so you'll
And.
if you land on the edge, you'll basically just ride in.
You gotta go slow and ollie high. Okay, I'm still in this game, Eli.
Now to bring out the tricks. Repay you for your double whip flat.
Okay, I'm ready.
Double whip out of the quarter.
Double whip out of the quarter, I love it. Okay, so on a skateboard,
That's double kickflip.
yeah, but the equivalent is how about I do it here? Do I need
Deal.
to do it out of the quarter?
No.
You can do it here.
The judges need to decide. Oh, you got it.
I love these judges, they're so good to me. That was the sorriest excuse. How about on a bank?
You could do it out of any bank.
Out of any bank?
Yeah.
How about just on a bank to,
Banked what?
that's it, I'm just doing it right here.
Eh.
You're right.
Second try.
You're right, Eli. And for some reason, they're giving me 3 tries on the last letter.
Wait, what?
3, that's what they said,
Oh
I
yeah,
know.
because you have your rebate.
I said that's not. No!
Okay.
Wait.
Guys, I'm out.
No, you have one more try because
Still can use your rebate.
that's your last trick rebate. You have your original attempt, last trick rebate, and your regular rebate because you didn't use it.
Okay, so they're telling me I have a rebate. I like this, you know? Why can't I do that there? That should be easy. But I want to go.
You
Okay.
can try it out there, but you only have
Okay.
one attempt.
Okay, you ready? Over here.
I'll count it.
That was the stupidest trick in skateboard history.
What could this be?
I've used my rebates. I got nothing left. Eli, let me down soft, please.
It's not really a trick, but you have to make it around the whole skate park without pushing.
Make it around the whole skate park without pushing. That's easy. I think he forgot that I'm on a skateboard. He's really going there. He's really going there. Where is he gonna end though? Not up this. No way. And where? Where's the end?
Right there. It's just one lap.
Okay, okay. Eli, I hate to do this to you, buddy. You ready?
How do you go without pushing on a skateboard? Oh, so you can do that. I forgot
What
about
were you
that.
thinking?
I forgot about that.
I could have raced you. Gazebo.
You're going so fast without pushing. That was a fast lap.
Say it again.
That was a fast lap.
Yep.
Something like it. Then we're good.
Wall ride.
Wall ride, he says.
Semi-wall ride.
Wow.
It's too easier of a skateboard.
Dang.
What could I possibly do? Grind spine.
Grind the spine. Ah, Derek,
We had originally got this trick
this
from a skateboard.
is not my day, brother.
I originally got this trick from a skateboarder. So.
Okay.
Ah! I sold. I don't count it.
What? Okay, that's
This is
it.
what it was supposed to be.
How many letters do you got?
SK.
So he says he doesn't like manuals, eh? This is the first part. I'm gonna do this for the benefit of you. Ready? Dang. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't for him at all, it was for me. I needed to practice that before I did a manual. And if I'd have done a manual there, I would have died because I was
Are you
going that way.
manualing down it?
We're gonna try, Eli.
You might mess up.
I very well might mess up.
I'll take the letter. Not even trying that.
Okay, I'm glad I landed that. That was fun. What do you got?
SKA.
SKA.
It's SKT.
I got a T, you got an A. I got a trick for you. Ready?
How do you do that on a scooter?
I don't know. Just stall probably. Any stall. Yep.
I'm surprised I got that.
I am not surprised you got
'Cause
that. I
that's-
knew you had it.
That's the opposite way I 180.
Okay, I got a trick for you. You ready?
Yeah. Manuals, manuals, manuals. I can't even tail above that, so like.
What a good trick! Oh!
Nope.
Okay, that was good though. Last letter?
SKAT.
I gotta do something good. Andy's got 3 tries on it. Dang. Okay, don't overthink this, Aaron. Okay, humpback whales. To the humpback whales. Come at me now, bro.
It's pretty easy.
What you got now? Son of a! Just kidding, okay, that's good. To the rail. Eli, I want you to pay close attention and do exactly what I do. Exact equivalent. You ready?
Oh, you're gonna hippie jump? What do I do? Is that like the equivalent of a board slide or something?
You got a hippie jump.
You can't do that on a scooter.
I'm just kidding. If you just jump
No!
over it, just jump over it and ride in. I just wanted to do that because I thought it'd be funny because obviously you can't hippie jump a scooter. Okay, that was sick and I am impressed. What keeps going through my head is take him out with something cheater, like just another manual somewhere, or take him out in glory.
Glory.
I did it like that because I think you can tail whip and like kind of turn.
Yeah.
That's a down whip. Right?
Because tail whip to fakie,
No,
I
I'll
think,
just do tail whip oppo.
is really impossible for you.
My toe stayed on. Do you count that or no?
I think that's a run it back.
Okay.
Not an official
Oh, get it
rebate,
quick.
but just a run it back.
I'll get it clean.
Leave it in the comments below for the judge.
Rebate.
The real question.
I went too
that
far to
was
the right.
very sick and well done. that
I
you
went too far to the
played
right.
that off.
I gotta use my rebate.
Wow. Okay, I'm glad you did that. I was really sick.
Let's get a manual. There's kickboard manual.
Okay, that was good. Well done.
Oh, manual. Oh, let's go.
I almost killed myself, killed Derek. Everybody almost died. Okay, you got it.
Finally, a chance to beat you.
Yeah. That?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Okay, I got that. We got this, we're good. Go ahead, Eli, take me out.
I did 1 foot stairs, now I can stairs.
Okay, can't hand the stairs. Next letter loses, and I only have 1 try left because I used all my rebates, my double tries, my triple tries, my quadruple tries. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com. That was good, that was fun. Well played.